Effortlessly prepare for customer meetings with AI-powered insights on opportunities, accounts, and past interactions. Let's see it in action. When a meeting is coming up, a prep card is generated. The meeting preparation card delivers up-to-date information and valuable insights drawn from your previous customer interactions, such as emails, meetings, and CRM data. It helps you stay informed and well-prepared before engaging in a customer meeting. The card is delivered via the Copilot for SalesBot or chat in Teams. The meeting preparation card is sent at a time set by your administrator. By default, it arrives 1 hour before the meeting. If a meeting is arranged less than an hour before it starts, the card will be delivered shortly after the invitation is sent. Automatically identifies and connects relevant CRM records and key attributes from the opportunity. An AI-generated summary of essential CRM details, such as open and close dates, current stage, budget, related records, and tasks, is pulled directly from the CRM. Summarized insights from past customer meetings, even those you missed. Recent communication includes the 10 most recent meetings or emails related to the opportunity. Along with meetings you organized or attended, it may also include those held by other team members for the same opportunity. AI-generated summary with follow-up actions and crucial discussion points. The summary includes an AI-generated overview of previous meetings, highlighting key discussion points and major customer objections. It may also feature meetings that lack AI-driven insights, such as those that were not recorded or for which the Copilot for Sales app was not added. With Meeting Prep in Microsoft Sales Copilot, you gain up-to-date context pulled from CRM, emails, and past meetings. AI-generated insights highlight key discussion points, customer objections, deal stages, and open tasks, saving you time and eliminating the need to manually search for details. Thanks to its integration with CRM, you get a single source of truth and a complete view of the opportunity. You can also see meetings organized by your colleagues, ensuring team-wide transparency. Flexible notification settings mean the prep card arrives at just the right time, and even last-minute meetings are supported with instant summaries, so you're always ready to engage with confidence.